Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Brick ability in Ability Wars. The Brick ability is incredibly versatile, allowing you to summon a solid block that can be a game changer. You can use it for both offensive pushes and defensive maneuvers, making it a core part of many strategies. Mastering its deployment will significantly enhance your gameplay, providing new ways to control the battlefield and outsmart opponents. For offense, the Brick ability offers several powerful tactics. You can strategically place bricks to block enemy escape routes or funnel them into a disadvantageous position. A well-timed brick summon directly on an opponent can deal significant damage, often catching them off guard. Additionally, use bricks to build temporary platforms, gaining a height advantage for ranged attacks or unexpected plunges onto foes below. Defensively, the Brick ability is an excellent tool for survival and control. You can instantly summon a brick to absorb incoming projectiles, protecting yourself from damage. It's perfect for creating temporary cover, allowing you a few precious seconds to heal or recharge your other abilities. Furthermore, strategically placed bricks can wall off pathways, denying enemies access to key areas or preventing them from chasing you down effectively. To truly master the Brick ability, consider advanced techniques. Try combining brick placements with your other abilities for devastating combos, like trapping an enemy before unleashing an area of effect attack. Practice quick, reactive brick summoning to instantly counter threats or capitalize on openings. Finally, study different maps to learn optimal brick placements, giving you a strategic edge in every encounter and making you a formidable opponent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.